Uh, Today topic about the cron jobs. Cron job is nothing but we need to schedule the automatic task from the system level. If you want create any cron job, we need to check with the command of cron tab is the command to list the available cron job. Whenever executing this command, it will show if there any scheduled job from OS level. By default, Linux system doesn't have any cron job. If you want to create any cron job, we need to check it with this command cron tab -l. Similar way, we have the configuration file cat/etc cron tab. This is the syntax for the cron tab. If you want to create any cron tab, we need to use this syntax. Means this is the 5 stars. The first star will represent the minute. Means at what time, at which minute I need to schedule my system cron job per particular time. Each minute it will calculate from 0 to 59. Means it will, once you will conclude that if you completed 59 minutes means it will come to 1 hour, right?
Yes.
Similar way, next field will represent that hours field. Hours field means we can calculate as a for a day as 24 hours. In that we can represent 0 to 23. If you once it will complete at 23 hours, it will come to the next day.
Okay.
Similar way, third field will represent day of the month. Each and every month we can calculate as a days like Monday, like starting 1 to 31st. Each and every month it will calculate the days. And fourth field will represent the month. Month means we will get the month as a 12 months per year. Which month I need to schedule the cron job? For that we need to specify the number 1 to 2. The fifth field will represent day of the week. Means each and every week we will get days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Like that, if you want, you can use the days like 0 to 6, or else Sunday by default it will represent 0 or else 7. Yes, we can use it. By this stanza, we can create any cron job from system level. Okay. If you want list out any cron job from my system, we need to use that cron tab -l. It will show the available cron jobs. If you want to create any cron job, we need to use cron tab -e. It will open the VA editor. In that, we need to specify the stanza for the 5 star. For example, in my situation, I need to execute one job at every 5 minutes.
Okay.
Every 5 minutes means we need to give this first field as a star means every minute. Insert star space star space star space star space star. Star means every second, every minute, every month it will continuously it will go and execute. My concern is I am going to create every 5 minutes interval. I am going to give as a /5. I am going to execute the command like one job. My command is which command? /bin/df-h. You know right command. What is meant by df? It will show the output of file system. From that, I am going to redirect this output to some /tmp.out escape w.
Output.
Now cron job entry is editing from my system. If you want list out, it will this. This is currently I schedule my cron job to my system. Each and every 5 seconds it will execute this command and output will be stored in this output file instead of doing manually.
Okay.
If you execute df-h, it will show the file system output. What is the current mounted file system? Instead of doing every time manually, if you schedule this syntax from the cron tab level, every 5-second interval, every 5-minute interval, the system will generate that output and the output will be stored in the /tmp output. Just check it. What is the time now? It is 2:11 EDT, right? 11 minutes. We can check after 5 minutes. It will generate the output and it will show this /tmp dot out file. We can wait 5 more minutes. We can check it after that. Yes. Go and check it. The command now its date is, typo error. Date is 15 minutes interval, right? Now we have to check it. What is the output file we given? cat/tmp dot out. Whatever we given, the output will be automatically executed the command. It will be stored in the file as well. Is it clear? Cron tab -l. Whatever the output file, it will be stored in this path. The command is executed successfully. If you want to check this log, cron jobs logs also, we have to go cat/var log. Cron is the log file directory. Now, if you want to go and check this log, this is executed success. At the particular time, 15 minutes interval, the command usr bin df-h is executed. The log also recorded here. Okay.
By default, executable files are stored in bin or sbin, sir? No, it's
It's OS related files only. Whatever the available, if you want, go to cd/bin ls. These are all the commands. All it should be as a script files only. We are executing, for example, ls-l pipe grep date. We are executing date command, right? This is the date command related file. From this file only we are executing. Whenever executing the date, it will refer this file inside the bin directory. Then it will go to execute this one.
okay.
Some scripts only. Is operating system is we are executing each and every command as a script files.
Okay.
That is about the cron tab. If you want to execute any cron tab, we need to use the syntax.
నార్మల్గా క్రాన్ ట్యాబ్ ఎందుకు యూస్ చేస్తాం సార్? ఫైల్స్ ఎవ్రీ 5 minutes టైం షెడ్యూల్ చేయడానికి సార్.
Yes, automation. This cron job is used for the system level automation. Automation means, you know, right? What is meant by manual? What is meant by automation?
Okay.
Automation means without interact with the user. We are not interacting any time at the system. It will continuously execute the task with system itself. If you want to do manually means we need to interact with the human, interact with the system. That reason only we are using for the cron tab.